Microsoft Loop components for Teams chat. Collaboration begins in the conversation you are in. Add a Loop component to a Teams chat to collaborate in real time. Everyone in the chat can start contributing immediately. Here's how it works. Add a Loop component to a blank message. Start from ready-to-use components, a paragraph, lists, a table. Components get you collaborating quickly while ideas are flowing. Add some content to get people started. Choose who can edit the loop using familiar permissions. When you're ready, send the loop in the chat to start collaborating. Members of the chat can co-author together, right in the chat. When you need to loop in more people to collaborate, sharing loops will feel familiar. Use the same sharing choices you would use for files. Choose who the sharing link will work for. Copy the link and permissions to share the loop. Start a new chat or choose an existing one. Paste the loop into the blank message. And let the live co-authoring and collaboration continue, with everyone in sync and in the flow of working together. Keep an eye out for the loop component icon coming to Teams chat soon.